Could BYD at any point dishearten? Could the BYD cutting-edge battery frustrate too? The responses will be examined in the present video. Hello, folks. Welcome back to our channel. How could you find our past recordings? Fascinating, I surmise. Trust us to constantly provide you with the first-class subtleties of what you really want to realize. We have never frustrated, and we can never. In the meantime, in the present video, we will examine the failure of BYD Sharp Edge battery. Stay tuned as we give you all you ought to know. A battery innovation designated the BYD Sharp Edge battery vowed to set another benchmark in battery security. While the declaration was made in 2020, the BYD Edge battery was wanted to be utilized in select vehicles. But presently, BYD has sent the tech in numerous models, including the Tang Plus, Song Plus, BYD Tong EV, BYD 1 Plus, or BYD 03, and the E2. The BYD cutting-edge battery innovation was a work in progress for a considerable length of time and accompanies a lithium iron phosphate or LFP science rather than the usual nickel-manganese cobalt or NMC blend. As opposed to having different modules, the BYD Edge battery stacks every one of the cells together, saving north of 50% space contrasted with other battery obstructs. However, BYD Han EV was the primary electric vehicle furnished with a BYD Edge battery pack. The VP and director of FinDreams Battery Organization, How Long, said the Edge batteries enjoy 4 different benefits, which are slow intensity discharge, low intensity age, high beginning temperature for exothermic responses, and the capacity to not deliver oxygen during a breakdown. BYD was quite possibly the earliest organization to utilize a battery thermal management system, BMS, to guarantee that the temperature of the battery stays at the ideal level in all super weather patterns. The energy proficiency of BYD Edge batteries is high to such an extent that it permits the organization to create NEVs with a portion of the business's longest ranges. The organization's endeavors in the advancement of battery innovation throughout the course of recent years have really paid off. As we would know, BYD says its LFP innovation is at the core of its new energy vehicle arrangement. The largest producer of LFP batteries anticipates that they should represent in excess of 60% of the worldwide power battery market by 2024. And the sans cobalt batteries produced using a material having extraordinary thermal stability than other battery choices have finished severe well-being assessments, including cheating tests, pound tests, and intensity tests. Now we'll take a gander at the nail penetration test. By these specialists, the battery exposed to nail penetration heating to 572 Fahrenheit, overcharging the 260%, and initial rigidity tests. The battery didn't emit smoke or fire during nail penetration, and the surface temperature ran between 30 to 60 degrees. In similar tests, a ternary lithium battery went past 500 degrees Celsius and burned, and a conventional LFP block battery reached a temperature of 200 to 400 degrees Celsius but didn't emit fire or smoke. 3 sorts of batteries were put through the nail penetration test in the lab. First, an NMC battery was exposed to this test with an egg put on its top. The NMC battery exploded instantly when the nail went through. In the second test, a customary LFP battery was entered again with a raw egg put on top to check overheating. As the test continued, the egg was burned, and temperatures of up to 400 degrees were recorded. Finally, when the nail entered the BYD Edge battery, the egg stayed uncooked, indicating no heating issues. Wow! How might a BYD cutting-edge battery frustrate? Never could it at any point. Stay tuned, folks, as we delve into additional sweet subtleties. That's still not all. BYD put the cutting-edge battery into a 300 degrees Celsius heater, from which the unit arose solid and, surprisingly, after cheating it to 260%, no fire or blast was accounted for. BYD played out an extreme construction test where a 46-ton truck rolled over the Sharp Edge battery, but that didn't cause leakage, bending, or smoke. BYD said that the battery was fully intact after the test, regardless usable in an EV. The BYD cutting-edge battery comes with no compromises when it comes to specifications. Its single-cell design is compact, measuring 37.7 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and 0.5 inches tall. The single cells are situated in a cluster and inserted in a cutting-edge type design into a pack. It ensures a lifespan of over 1.2 million kilometers after 3,000 charging and discharging cycles. This design allows a lifespan of north of 740,000 miles, that is around 1.2 million kilometers after 3,000 charge and discharge cycles. The BYD Edge technology doesn't think twice about either. New BYD vehicles based on the E-Platform 3.0 come standard with a BYD cutting-edge battery. The BYD Seal or BYD ATO4 Abroad offers back-tire drive and all-wheel drive drivetrain designs and comes with 3 power plans, 150 kilowatts, 180 kilowatts, and the dual-motor arrangement with 160 kilowatts front plus 230 kilowatts rear motors. It will also get a 112 miles per hour maximum velocity. The highest specification BYD vehicles on the E-Platform 3.0 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and achieve a range of up to 600 miles. Also, because of a working voltage of 800 volts, they can provide a range of 90 miles in just 5 minutes of charging. BYD believes that some electric vehicle producers might have compromised battery safety while holding back nothing range in pursuit of energy density. Battery safety has been overlooked with a sharp-edge battery by means to carry focus to the critically important aspect of safety. Other vehicle producers have also shown interest in the BYD Sharp Edge battery. Toyota has shown interest in the Warren Buffett-supported brand's technology, and its upcoming Toyota BZ car will reportedly use the BYD Sharp Edge battery. Besides, a forthcoming Toyota Suzuki electric midsize SUV will also get the BYD Sharp Edge battery. Reports swirled in the Chinese media last year that the future $25,000 Tesla Model 2, Tesla Model Q, would use the BYD Edge battery. After Elon Musk confirmed in mid-2022 that they had stopped working on the budget electric vehicle project, talking about the second-generation BYD cutting-edge battery, reports have emerged that the Chinese automaker is developing a second-generation edge battery with a high energy density of 180 watt-hours per kilogram, an almost 17% increase over the current energy density of 150 watt-hours per kilogram. With a fifth-generation chip, the new battery would reduce power consumption by 20% and increase the driving range by 3%. The upgrade would also result in better power and torque. According to a post seen, the report also claims that the cutting-edge BYD Sharp Edge battery is likely to debut in one of the BYD C-Series models. However, there's no official word about the same from the brand yet. If you're asking why Tesla is still using large numbers of tiny cylindrical battery cells to assemble complex battery packs, this is because when the automaker introduced the Roadster in 2008, high-energy density battery cells were only available in that format, mostly used in computers. Only in late 2016, high-energy density battery cells started to be available in pouch format like the LG XE63 made by LG Chemistry. In any case, this video isn't about Toyota or Tesla. It's about the disheartening LFP BYD cutting-edge battery. But, obviously, we should be convinced now that the BYD cutting-edge battery is highly glorious. BYD Edge battery is a modulus CTP battery pack, and without modules, the long kaleidoscopic battery cells connected in series are placed in a cluster and then inserted into a battery pack, making it as straightforward as possible. The simplicity of the CTP technology helps to achieve a good energy density at the battery pack level, even if the energy density of the cells isn't amazing. My wonderful subscribers, I hope that you enjoyed what you have just watched. Watch out for our next video, and this is all we got for you today. Kindly give us a thumbs up, comment, and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching.